Maya Sharma is supposed to be, Maya, come on, jog, jog, jog. You're supposed to be part of the fitness campaign. You've got to show us.
That's right, that's right. I can tell you that I just finished my 10 kilometers, but I'm giving the kids a chance now. There are kids lining up over there, and they're taking part in this race here. As you can see, dodging those tires, taking fit not as easy as it looks, rushing to the hurdles, going over some, going under some. This is Fit India Come and Play Day. Ouch! And that's what those kids are doing. They're getting over those hurdles, running, getting under those nets, chasing, being cheered on by a lot of young kids here. And they're under the very, very expert guidance, I might say, of none other than Ashwini Nachappa. Ashwini, how important is this for kids these days, really, to get out and get running?
Well, it's so important. The first question I ask these kids, do you know your body? How well is it coordinated? We don't know, ma'am, was the answer.
Okay.
And I think that's so important for every child to know their body and how coordinated they are. And that's why these exercises, agility exercises, to know your body, to know how conditioned you are.
When did you start off? Did you start off in school itself, getting fit?
Probably like one of these kids about 9 years old. We didn't have these kind of facilities, but, we just had a cinder track and we used to just run wild at that point of time.
And you maintain it still? Because I know you're not 21 years old anymore, but you look super fit.
I'm double that age, probably more than double that age. But I think fitness is part of my life. It's a lifestyle. And I think everybody needs to incorporate that lifestyle because a fit body is found only in a fit mind.
Absolutely. Now, we have some kids eager with questions for you. What is your question for Ashwini?
Well, hi, ma'am. My question for you is that who's your inspiration?
Well, I think my, inspirations have been many, but most importantly, more than inspiration, you have to be self-motivated. And it's important for all of us to be self-motivated when you have goals set for yourself in whichever field. And for me in athletics, my role models were Carl Lewis and Florence Griffith Joyner, and I wanted to become like them. So that was my intention, and that's the timing I set, and that's how it all
Wonderful, great, super, it certainly did.
My question is, in today's studies, how can we get involved in sports?
Where's the time? I mean, with all this exam pressure.
Well, I know it's important to make time. I know the education system is so stressed up for every child because you'll finish school, you'll go for tuitions, and then you'll come back home and you'll off to sleep, probably do a little homework and off to sleep. So for me, it's a challenge as an educationist to ensure that the team that I work with is involved in sports and know the importance of sports. So for me, through this channel, through NDTV's program, I can only make an appeal to all education institution heads to inculcate sports as a medium to encourage children to even further their studies.
Absolutely. What is your question?
Is it necessary to wear spikes while running? Why can't we use other sports shoes?
Well, it all depends when you should use a spike. Now, today's event, what you're doing is only to see whether you're coordinated to get a little bit of physical activity done. You don't need a spikes. But when you're competing, you're training for competition, then depending on the event, even the spikes varies, the nails varies. If you're a sprinter, the nail size varies. If you're a distance runner, the nail size varies. So there are specifications for all that. But at the moment, what you're doing today, you don't need. You need to enjoy sport. You need to enjoy your body. Yeah?
One final question.
Our national game is hockey, but we don't put more stress on hockey, but why only cricket? It is not a national game. Recently they won the Kabaddi World Cup, but no one was there to ask any questions for them.
Cricket, cricket, cricket.
Well, I think we are a nation obsessed with cricket, but today with the kind of cricket that is being played, I think it's coming to a slight, it's sliding down a bit and other sport is looking up. So don't be discouraged. Cricket is, of course, a sport. They have performed well. We need to encourage it. But we also need to encourage other sports which we are doing well, whether it's kabaddi, whether it is hockey. We are reviving hockey. We have athletes doing well. So there are many other sports. We have tennis doing well. You saw Leander at that age winning. I mean, he's a great source of inspiration for kids like yours.
NDTV's Cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.